This is a KS3 Light video looking at the application of mirrors in periscopes. So periscopes are used in submarines so that you can see above the water when submerged. You may have a model periscope that you can use to see around corners or over walls. And you can see I've drawn a diagram of the periscope here, and I'm going to position two mirrors like this. Okay, so the light will come in at the top of the periscope over here, lining that up with where I want to sit my mirror, and then the person's eye will be down here. And let's get my mirrors. So I position the first mirror, and then I position the second mirror, and we've got our beam of light coming out of the periscope. Okay, so really useful for transferring the information seen up high to the person's eye when they're down much lower, for example in a submarine, or you know, lower than a wall or round a corner or whatever it might be. Really nice use of mirrors there. Let's have a look at drawing some of those rays of light. So the light comes into the mirror like this. We've got our arrows to show the direction of light, and then we use our protractor just like we did in the reflection video, and we draw our normal line, which is at 90 degrees to the mirror. And then we use our protractor to measure from the normal line round to the incident ray. And that's an angle of 45 degrees. I'm reading from here all the way to there, 45 degrees. Turn my protractor round and measure the 45 degrees, this time from the outside, going from 0 round to 45. And we just clip that mirror there. And now the reflected ray becomes the incident ray at the next mirror. Okay, so let's get our normal line in position. And measure our new angle of incidence. Again, as expected, 45 degrees, and then measure 45 over here, and we've got our new reflected ray into the person's eye. Let's try and see if we can put that into practice with our beam of light, match it up. So line it up really carefully, bringing it forward so I get that nice narrow beam of light, as narrow as I can get. One mirror in position, second mirror in position, and the light reflecting into the person's eye. Okay, so use of periscopes there. Let's take a look at a summary of periscopes. Okay, periscopes are used in submarines to see objects above the water. The arrows show the direction of light, we've talked about that before, reflecting off the object and into the person's eye. So we've got the object, light shining on there initially, reflecting from the object onto the first mirror, the incident ray, the reflected ray, then becomes the new incident ray, and the reflected ray into the person's eye. Hope you found that useful. Thank you.